it's because there's nothing in the world that I won't drag home. This thing is going to be cool one day, but that one day is not today. 66 for a Baja. I've got the full kit. Already been painting the kit. Gonna rattle can the whole car, slap the motor in, and away goes the Desert Rat. Follow along. We'll be shooting some good video of this as my 12-year-old and I build this together as a nice little father-son project. See y'all. All right, so tearing into the Baja today. Drug it home. There she is. She's a beaut. Clark. She's a beaut. Scat Pro Car seats. I'm gonna spray them down. They're got about 10 years worth of dust and nastiness on them. Gonna spray them down and see if I can get that pink to turn something other than pink. And inside, yep, looks like I'm gonna go ahead and do the pans. That one was obviously cut out, but it came with pan halves. So I'm going to yank the body off the pan, take it over to everybody's house, and slap the new pan halves in. And then away we'll go. Some of the cool things on it, don't know that they're true vintage, but anymore my childhood is considered vintage. So those are some pretty slick little impy thingies there. Sorry, I'm busy checking pockets in these door panels. They've got some nice little trinketry. So I'm going to grab the shop vac and get after this thing. Yeah, buddy.